Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers. Today we will discuss about the theorems from the class 9, class 10 book, theorem number 10.1. If a radial segment, if a line, if a line is drawn perpendicular from the radial segment of a circle, its outer end point it is tangent to that point. Look here, if is given clearly, given that, and if a line is drawn perpendicular, we take any lines. Line is represented by double arrow. For example, x and y. XY represent XY as any line. So now we take a circle. O is the center and OP. OP is the radial segment. As from the radial segment, a line is perpendicular to the circle, outer end point. P is the outer end point. It is tangent. We want to prove that line. So this line is Q and R. QR is a line which is perpendicular, it is tangent to the given circle. So given that we take a circle with center O and a line Q R is tangent to the given outer point end point P. Means that here QR is perpendicular OP or OCS perpendicular or OPS perpendicular to QR, such that OP or QR is perpendicular to the given radial segment OP. We want to prove that, to prove given line QR is tangent to the given outer endpoints endpoint P construction. Here we take any other points. For example, here we take S, which is not tangent to the given circle. We take any other points and we will give the name here angle 1 and here angle 2. This will be the right angle 90 degree. So now we draw any other point S which is not tangent, and also labeled the angles angle 1 and angle 2. Statements and reasons. They are QR since the line QR is perpendicular to OP, that is already given in the statement. Similarly here OPS, angle OPS is the right angle angle 1 and angle 2 are acute angles. Because here measurement angle OPS is equal to 90 degree, which is right angle OPS, and angle 1 and angle 2. Here angle 1 is 45 degree and angle 2 is also 45 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 9. 45 plus 45, so you will get 90. So it means that angle 1 and angle 2 are acute angles and OP is the right angles. We can say that here measurement angle OS, or we can say measurement angle OPS, or this side OS is greater than OP, because in a triangle greater angle has greater opposite side. So angle 1 and angle 2 are acute angles. So for this reason OS is greater than OP, because the angle is 90 degree and the opposite of this side is also greater side. So OS is greater than OP. Since here, and also we can say that measurement angle OCD is also greater than measurement OPD या ROPS is greater than R. Measurement angle OPS is greater than measurement angle 2 because as this OPS the right angle 90 degree and this will be equal to 45 degree, so this is greater than. So now here OC is the radial segment and P is any exterior point and F is any other point which do not touch the circle. So this is called QR is a tangent just only one point, that is P, and except S. So here S is any exterior point which do not touch the circle, which do not touch the circles except the point P. Only is the point of, that is also called point of contact. P is the point where touch the circle just only one point. So therefore AQR is only one point, just P, which is perpendicular to the radial segment according to the definition of radial perpendicular definitions. So here QR is perpendicular OP radial segments. So it means that, so it is tangents just only one point P. Thank you very much for watching once again and please pray for me.